So they're talking about Groundhog Day tomorrow. We're on our way to the beach. Really, do we need the groundhog thing this year? No, I don't think we need it this year. It's gonna be 70s and 60s for another week. This will be week 2. Like I said, we're heading to the beach right now, so I don't think we really need to be worried about Groundhog's Day. Everyone's out riding their bikes, running and exercising in this beautiful sunlight. Yay!
We've heard from people all the time with it here is like every year it's just...
that's crazy. It's a $30
She's just taking
pass. $6 an hour, $5 an hour.
It wasn't even this. I have the...
What are we doing? What are we doing? This water is freezing. Look at this. Look at this pool that it's made right here. Are we really about to cross this thing? Oh my gosh. It's so cold. I don't want to do this. Is this our polar plunge? This is crazy. I need somewhere to put my shoes. Like, I didn't think this through very well for a beach day.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
For everyone wondering, this water is freezing cold.
Oh my gosh. I'm on my tippy toes. I'm on my tippy toes. I'm on my tippy toes. Oh, I'm not running. I'm not running.
I'm not gonna have any feet.
Oh my gosh. Why didn't you tell me to roll my pants up higher?
I told you.
Oh my gosh. Seriously, that was terrible. That was horrible. Horrible, horrible. My husband! Ah! I'm so mad. I'm so mad right now. That was really cold.
It hurts so bad. This is a great idea though.
Yeah? Awesome? Great idea?
10 out of 10. We do it again.
10 out of 10. Oh my gosh. Well, we get to do it on the way back.
Well, check it out. We're on like a little almost island. See?
Oh my gosh. We're on our own island right now. I didn't think this through today at all. I just really didn't think it through. At all. Classic me. Classic me. We're on the end of the earth, people. It's called the North End. Not the North Shore, I wish. But the North End. And it's the end of the earth. The curvature of the United States is right here. In this beautiful, beautiful island. Look at this. So pretty. February 1st. Woohoo! Can you say that you've stood on the edge of the United States? Can you? Can you say it? Probably not. This is so cool. We love this kind of stuff. Literally awesome. Ooh, did you find a good shell?
No.
Oh. That's a big shell. Too bad it wasn't a whole shell. Look at this. Look how it looks so deserty out there. Oh my gosh. We are not in the desert. It's like, hello, desert. Hello, beach. That's crazy. We're out here exploring, having such an amazing Saturday. So, a week ago, we were in a snowstorm. Literally a snowstorm, okay? And now, this week, just a week later, we're at 70 degrees. Well, 67, 66 degrees, depending on where you're standing. And like, it's just crazy. It's so crazy. There's a lot of shells out here. This actually hurts my feet. This actually does not feel good. On top of us doing that crazy Arctic feet plunge. This feels horrible. Not your soft sand, but that's because we're so far. Honey always likes to bring us so close to the edge by the water, and so then this is the part where the shells hurt. Like if you walk further up, like right over there, it'll be softer, much softer. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, listen to it, listen to it. I could listen to that like forever. Imagine falling asleep to that like every night of your life. Oh my gosh. So now we're getting into the part where it's like so windy. And Honey says because we don't have the protection of the dunes, so like there's no dunes over here, and the wind can just roam free, you know? Oh my gosh. Woo! Honey, you always be having us out here. Ah! Oh no, it is too cold. Oh, that looks like a really big shell right there, honey. You gotta get that shell for me.
Where?
Right there.
Just grab it.
My hands. What did you do? What did you do?
It's not as solid out there as I thought it is.
I wish I would have got that on camera. I just heard you. That was hilarious. Is it a full shell, you think?
Yes, it is.
Oh, I thought you were going to say yes and no. Here, let's see it. Let's see it. Oh, you're about to drop it. That's a full shell, honey.
Ta-da.
That's a good one.
It
Yay.
is.
I thought you were going to throw it back in.
Not this.
When I tell you that it is cold, just know it is cold. Oh my gosh, it is cold. Let's see it. You don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand. It's a mermaid's dream. Do you know what that is?
No.
You don't know what it is. You don't know what it is. Mr. Santa Barbara.
What is it?
That is a North Carolina sand dollar.
Oh.
You just found one of the biggest gems. Oh my gosh. The mermaids literally love those. That's how we pay for things. The sand dollar. What do I think of this? Yeah, I can buy something with that. I can buy my new sweatshirt. I hear a boat out there. We found the sand dollar! Ah! Oh my gosh. No one is more excited than me that we found a sand dollar in this cold, cold water. We're walking on this little island part now. It looks so crazy. Did you find another one?
No, this is the same one.
Oh, I was like, oh my gosh. Babes and the sand dollar. Everybody else comes to the beach, sits on the sand, and go walking along the beach. No, not us.
Alright, I need you to hold this, Babs.
Is it my sand dollar?
And the 2 shells.
Oh, okay, hold on. I need my hand. Honey is going in there for something else. Not sure what he found. What'd you find? Oh, that's a beauty, honeydew.
Yeah.
That's gorgeous. I'm never giving that one away. That's my
Another
souvenir.
shell. There it is.
This sand is so hard, and you see all these cool ripples. Look at all these cool ripples.
I think this is normally underwater.
Oh. Oh, that makes sense. Sorry, guys. Nope, this is our land. This is our land. Nobody can come over this way. You guys stay over there. And we're... Bays, look at all the people that are here now. Oh my gosh. This must be the spot. It's the spot today. It doesn't always look like this. That's what's so cool about the beach. Each day it's different from day to day. So it's like, yeah, we're finding all this stuff today, right? But it doesn't mean like you're gonna find all this stuff even if you come tomorrow. So it's wild. We're on the hunt for more conch shells and whelk shells because you can hear the ocean in them and they're very large. And we've got to find some. If not, we're going to go back over there and try to find them because people... Oh, look at how beautiful that is. That's cool. That is cool.
I think it's just some trash. I wouldn't mess with it. Looks just enough like a gator.
What? Oh no. We need to get out of here. Does anybody ever feel like they're on Lost when it's like not like beach season, you know? And it's like this time of year? Oh my gosh. I don't know why, but I just feel like it's just so like different, you know? Because you don't have all the people talking like I'm doing right now. All right, I gotta hurry up and go, guys. We gotta find that conch shell and that whelk shell.